Asparagus has a reputation. It makes your urine smell funny. Many people avoid it for this reason alone, but that unusual smell is actually a sign that asparagus is doing something remarkable inside your body. Asparagus is one of the most powerful natural diuretics on the planet. It flushes your kidneys. It helps your body eliminate excess water, salt, and toxins. It supports healthy blood pressure. It reduces bloating. It prevents kidney stones. It cleanses your urinary tract. For centuries, asparagus has been used in traditional medicine as a kidney tonic. Modern science has confirmed what healers always knew. Asparagus contains unique compounds that increase urine production without depleting your electrolytes. This is the asparagus protocol. In this article, we will explore how asparagus flushes your kidneys, why this is so important for your health, and how to use it for maximum benefit. By the end, you will never look at this green vegetable the same way again. Let us start with the science of the asparagus flush. Asparagus contains a unique amino acid called asparagine. Asparagine is a natural diuretic. It stimulates your kidneys to produce more urine. This helps your body flush out excess water, sodium, and toxins. But unlike many diuretics, asparagus does not deplete your potassium levels. In fact, asparagus is rich in potassium. 1 cup of cooked asparagus contains about 200 milligrams of potassium. Potassium is an essential electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle function, and blood pressure. Many pharmaceutical diuretics cause potassium loss. This can lead to weakness, cramps, and heart problems. Asparagus does the opposite. It helps you shed excess water while maintaining healthy potassium levels. This makes it a safe, natural, and effective diuretic. You can use it daily without the side effects of medication. Now let us talk about the compounds that give asparagus its distinctive smell. When you eat asparagus, your body breaks down a compound called asparagusic acid. Asparagusic acid is unique to asparagus. Your body metabolizes it into sulfur-containing compounds. These compounds are volatile. They are excreted in your urine. When you urinate, these compounds evaporate and create the characteristic smell. The smell is harmless. It is actually a sign that your kidneys are working efficiently. They are filtering out waste products and eliminating them from your body. Not everyone can smell these compounds. Some people lack the olfactory receptors to detect them. This is a genetic variation. If you cannot smell asparagus urine, it does not mean your kidneys are not working. It just means your nose is different. The important thing is that the flushing process is happening. Asparagus is doing its job. Let us talk about kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits of minerals and salts that form inside your kidneys. They are excruciatingly painful. They can also cause kidney damage if they block the flow of urine. There are different types of kidney stones. The most common type is calcium oxalate stones. Asparagus can help prevent these stones in several ways. First, it increases urine production. More urine means that minerals and salts are less likely to concentrate and form crystals. Second, asparagus contains compounds that inhibit the crystallization of calcium oxalate. This means that even if oxalate is present in your urine, it is less likely to form into stones. Third, asparagus is a natural source of magnesium. Magnesium binds to oxalate in your digestive system, preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Less oxalate in your blood means less oxalate in your urine. This reduces your risk of calcium oxalate stones. Several studies have confirmed the stone-preventing effects of asparagus. In one study, people who ate asparagus regularly had a 30% lower risk of developing kidney stones. Now let us talk about blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. The diuretic effect of asparagus helps lower blood pressure naturally. When your body retains excess water and sodium, your blood volume increases. This puts pressure on your artery walls. By helping your kidneys flush out excess water and sodium, asparagus reduces your blood volume. Your blood pressure drops. The potassium in asparagus also helps relax your blood vessels. This further lowers your blood pressure. In one study, people with high blood pressure who ate asparagus every day for 8 weeks had significant reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The effect was comparable to some blood pressure medications, but without the side effects. If you have high blood pressure, adding asparagus to your diet is a simple, natural way to support your heart health. Let us talk about bloating. Bloating is caused by excess water retention, gas, or inflammation. Asparagus addresses all three. The diuretic effect helps your body shed excess water. The fiber in asparagus supports healthy digestion and reduces gas. The anti-inflammatory compounds in asparagus reduce swelling in your digestive tract. Many people report feeling noticeably less bloated within a few hours of eating asparagus. This is why asparagus is often recommended before events where you want to look and feel your best. A meal of asparagus the night before can help you wake up leaner and less puffy. The effect is temporary but noticeable. If you struggle with chronic bloating, eating asparagus regularly can help keep your fluid levels balanced and your digestion moving smoothly. Now let us talk about the other nutrients in asparagus. Asparagus is packed with vitamins and minerals. 1 cup of cooked asparagus contains more than 60% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It also helps regulate calcium levels in your body. Asparagus is rich in folate. 1 cup provides about 35% of your daily needs. Folate is critical for DNA synthesis and cell growth. It is especially important during pregnancy to prevent neural tube defects. Asparagus is also a good source of vitamin A, which supports eye health and immune function. It contains vitamin C, which protects your cells from oxidative damage. It contains iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen in your blood. It contains fiber, which supports digestive health and blood sugar control. Asparagus is also one of the best natural sources of glutathione. Glutathione is a master antioxidant. It protects your cells from damage, supports your immune system, and helps your liver detoxify harmful substances. This combination of nutrients makes asparagus a true superfood. How should you eat asparagus for maximum kidney flush? Fresh asparagus is best. Look for firm, bright green spears with tight tips. The tips should not be mushy or spread out. Thin spears are more tender. Thick spears are more flavorful. Both are nutritious. Store asparagus in the refrigerator. Wrap the ends in a damp paper towel or stand them upright in a glass of water. This keeps them fresh longer. The most important thing is to cook asparagus lightly. Overcooking destroys the sensitive compounds, including the diuretic asparagine. Steaming is the best method. Steam asparagus for 3 to 5 minutes until bright green and tender crisp. Roasting is also good. Toss asparagus with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Do not overcook. You want it to still have a slight crunch. Sautéing is another option. Heat a little oil in a pan. Add asparagus and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir frequently. You can also eat asparagus raw. Raw asparagus is crunchy and refreshing. Slice it thinly into salads. You can also juice asparagus. Asparagus juice is very concentrated. It has a strong earthy flavor. Mix it with apple, cucumber or lemon to make it more palatable. Asparagus juice is a powerful diuretic. Use it sparingly. Pickled asparagus is another option. Pickling preserves some of the nutrients. The vinegar in pickling can also aid digestion. However, pickled asparagus is high in sodium. If you have high blood pressure, choose fresh or frozen asparagus instead. A few tips to maximize the kidney flush. Drink plenty of water when you eat asparagus. The diuretic effect works best when you are well hydrated. Water gives your kidneys something to flush out. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Eat asparagus consistently. The effects are cumulative. Eating asparagus once in a while is good. Eating it several times per week is much better. Combine asparagus with other kidney-friendly foods. Celery, cucumber, watermelon, and lemon are all natural diuretics. A salad or smoothie with multiple hydrating ingredients is powerful. Reduce your sodium intake. Asparagus helps your kidneys excrete sodium. But it cannot keep up with a high-sodium diet. Limit processed foods, canned soups, fast food, and salty snacks. If you are taking medication for high blood pressure or kidney disease, talk to your doctor before starting the asparagus protocol. Asparagus can lower blood pressure. It can interact with diuretic medications. Your doctor may need to adjust your dose. A few warnings. Asparagus is safe for most people. Some people are allergic to asparagus. This is rare. If you experience itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after eating asparagus, seek medical attention. Asparagus can cause digestive discomfort in some people. The fiber and the compound asparagus can cause gas and bloating. Start with a small amount and gradually increase. Asparagus is also high in vitamin K. If you take blood-thinning medication like warfarin, keep your vitamin K intake consistent. Do not suddenly increase or decrease your asparagus consumption without talking to your doctor. Asparagus contains purines. Purines are broken down into uric acid. If you have gout or are prone to uric acid kidney stones, talk to your doctor before eating large amounts of asparagus. For most people, asparagus is healthy, safe, and beneficial. In summary, asparagus is the ultimate kidney flush. It contains asparagine, a natural diuretic that increases urine production without depleting potassium. It helps your body eliminate excess water, salt, and toxins. It lowers blood pressure, reduces bloating, and prevents kidney stones. It is rich in vitamin K, folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, fiber, and glutathione. Eat it steamed, roasted, sautéed, raw, or juiced. Eat it several times per week. Drink plenty of water. Reduce your sodium intake. Your kidneys filter your blood 24 hours a day. They remove waste, balance your fluids, and regulate your blood pressure. They are essential to your life. Asparagus supports them naturally and effectively. The unusual smell in your urine after eating asparagus is not a problem. It is a sign that your kidneys are doing their job. Embrace it. The asparagus protocol is simple. Eat asparagus. Flush your kidneys. Feel lighter. Feel healthier. That is the power of asparagus.